evening. Okay. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Um, just testing on the mic before I start. Can you hear my voice? Okay. Right. So sorry for the late speed. We have some technical issue just now. Okay. Let's just begin the webinar today. All right. Good evening, traders. I'm Su Ling, and your speaker for tonight orientation sessions for the Apex Derivative Trading Challenge. And I'm excited to have you all here in tonight's sessions. We'll ensure that every participant understands the structure, rules, timeline, price, and expectation of the challenge. And it's going to be an exciting journey ahead. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Okay, moving to the next slide. Okay. So this is the day one trading challenge, play rules, and Q&A. So before we start, some heat up. Before we continue, the contents we presented today is purely for educational and information purpose. There's no buying or selling advice. Please understand the risk involved in futures trading and seek independent financial advisor for investment decisions. Okay, and welcome to the Apex Derivative Trading Challenge. This is not a simulation, and you're about to trade in real markets with real capital, real rewards, sponsored by Bursa Malaysia Derivatives and hosted by our company, Apex Security Berhad. And this is your chance to grow, compete, and showcase your trading mindset. So here will be the contents for tonight's sessions. Let's move on. Okay, let's walk through the important dates for the challenge. So the registration is open from 14th of April to June of the 16th of June, which is 2 weeks ago. We already opened the registrations, and today we have orientations for our traders, and the actual challenge periods will run from the 5th of May, which is next Monday, and until the end of June, 30th of June. So we still have 1 week to start. So we highly encourage everyone to register and fund your accounts early to avoid any last-minute technical issues or delays. Don't leave it to the last minute. Get ready early and stay focused on your trading. About the eligibles and the team rules, firstly, to join the challenge, the participations must have an active derivative trading accounts with Apex Security Berhad. So if you already a client, you just proceed to register. And if you hasn't our clients, please open account with us and register for the trading challenges. You can choose either trade individually, or we call it solo, or form a team by 2 to 3 members. The minimum is 2 members, maximum is 3% for the team groups. Please note that dual registrations is strictly not allowed, and each participant or team can only register once. Alright, let's talk about the registration fees. For solo participants, the fee is 100 ringgit per person, while for the team participations, the fee is 250 per team. So, but here's the exciting part, 20% of the registration fee will go into the pool money. And yes, you have the chance to win the pool money. The more participation we have, the bigger pool money will be, which means bigger chances for you to win. And so get ready to bring you again. Next, in this trading challenge, you are trading with your own capitals. The organizer does not bear any of your losses, nor we take any of your profits. That's why the managing risk is the key for the tradings. Okay. Let's move on to see what you can trade during this trading challenge periods. In this challenge, you can trade all Bursa Malaysia derivative contracts, including FCPO crude palm oil futures, FKI, which is a Malaysia Index futures, Malaysia Benchmark Index futures, and gold futures, and so on, which is listed on Bursa Malaysia Derivatives. And however, please note that the foreign futures are not included in this challenge. Next, we'll be sharing with you about the intraday margin policy. So you can opt to trade with the lowest 50% intraday margins facility for local products, or you can choose to trade without a 50%, meaning that you trade with a full margin. So I give you an example. For example, the crude palm oil futures at the moment is trading 8500 per lot. So this margin is set by the exchange. So if you are not enjoying the facility of intraday margins, you will be required 8,500 in your account in order for you to enter one lot of the crude palm oil futures. However, if you're applying the 50% intraday margin facilities, you only require 4,250 to enter one lot of the crude palm oil futures. But this is for intraday tradings only. What is intraday tradings? Mean that you enter today, you exit today before the market close. So however, you must close all the positions in same days to ensure to fulfill by the end of the trading days. So please note that if you violate the 50% intraday margins facilities, you will be disqualified from the trading challenge. So how to see if I am violate, meaning that if currently your trading account have 8,500 and then you're applying the 50% intraday margin. So when you go into the markets and the market is moving against you, you have a losses of hundreds ringgits. Okay, for example, after you close the positions, the equity becomes 8,400, and before the market close, you ensure you are not holding the positions overnight to avoid the margin call. So if you're holding overnight, meaning that you're having a margin call of 100 ringgits, so this is one of the example you breaching the intraday margins policy. Okay, next, the community and education support. As part of our commitment to your success, we are offering 2 key resources to help you along the way. Firstly is to join the exclusive traders community Discord channel. We're building a Discord channel for our traders participants. Secondly, there is additional educational materials on Bursa website, which is My Bursa. You can access the exclusive learning material to further enhance your trading knowledge and skills. And these resources are designed to support you throughout the challenge, so be sure to take the full advantage of them. Okay, so next, why you should join our Discord community. So this platform is for you to connect with the fellow traders. In these channels, we sharing the ideas and we get updates on the markets. We also share the daily trading recommendations, and you can post the charts over the channels. Sometimes you also can ask some questions as long as it is about the market and trading strategies. And some tips for you, you may have chances to win the most helpful traders in one of our weekly rush hour prize. So what is this about? We'll share later on. Stay updated and ahead in the game. Okay, further support for you, and we will provide the one-to-one coaching sessions. Ensure if you need it, ensure you book your slot, and the coaching sessions will be in 1 hour. So just schedule your sessions in advance with our dealers to secure your slots. So you can contact us via the WhatsApp Apex Globex. You can screenshot the page now. If you need it, just contact us. Alright, moving to the next slide. Okay, next, we do provide the extra learning supports for you. So we have planned a learning progress and excited to announce there is total 4 upcoming webinar tailors for the difference level. 2 for the beginner level will be on the 30th of April, which is coming this Wednesday, the basic of futures trading, if you have no idea about what is futures trading. And the beginner level, the other ones will be on the 8th of May, which is next Thursday, how to use the trading system, Discord, and Apex Academic. Right, the time will same 8:30 to 10 p.m. And also there is another 2 webinar sessions, intermediate level. On the 6th of May, we have a trading strategies, and 20th of May, trading psychology part. So I will invite an experienced trader to share with you guys about the strategies and the psychology part. So just save the date and make sure to join us. Stay tuned for more updates on the schedule. Okay, so the trading challenge is here. Total price up to 11,000. It is time to put your skill to the test and claim your spot at the tops. And are you ready to take on the challenge? Yes, and I know you're ready. So let's move on. Okay, let's talk about the price. So here's our price structure. This is the very main price. So if you are solo players, here's we will have total 8 prizes for the top 8 traders. First prize will win 3288 ringgit Malaysia plus the 30% of pool money, while the second place will win 1888 ringgit Malaysia plus 20% of the pool money. Third place will win 688 ringgit Malaysia plus the 10% of pool money. And also we have a consolations. We have set about 5 winners. The traders from the 4th ranking 4th to 8th will win, each will win 288 ringgit Malaysia plus the 10% of the pool money. And not only solo player, if you participate in a team, this is the prize for the top teams, which is 3288 ringgit Malaysia plus the 30% of the pool money. So as we sharing just now, the more participants we have, the higher the pool money. So keep up the good work and you could be walking away with this amazing prize, and let's go. Okay, so after we know about the prize, then how to win on this trading challenge. Let's see, we'll show you the P&L calculations, the way we calculate for the ranking. Yes, and we understand that there is no 100% fair methods to calculate performance in the trading competitions, but after some research and study, including how other platform does it, we have chosen to use the money weighted rate of return, which is MYR in short form. Okay, so the percentage gain over the challenge periods while accounting for the timing and size of the cash flow, such as the starting cash balance, additional deposit and withdrawals, and the final cash balance. These figures will be displayed on the leaderboards to determine participant ranking. So the leaderboard will be based on equity balance, not the cash balance, and only remember, only realized P&L will be counted towards the win or losses percentage. Deposit and withdrawal will be included in the calculations. So the keynotes that it is possible that a trader who doesn't appear on the daily leaderboards could still win if they realize a big profit at the end. So this is just an example. Okay. So after we learned about the calculation methods, and I'm excited to know where I can check the ranking. So where you can check in few places. First is the official website of Apex Derivative Trading Challenge. You can screenshot the page. Later on, just type the links and register into this Apex Trading Challenge. Okay. So not only here, we also will share the ranking, the leaderboards in our Discord channels. Here, not only for discussion and sharing idea, we also keep updated you on the ranking. Okay. Other than that, we also post the ranking, the leaderboards on our Apex academic channels. So these Apex academic channels is included our equities and derivative study, and also the daily trading recommendations. You may also go through to see what is our researcher, our reports right today, so you can get some idea from your trading. In summaries, a participant's ranking during and the conclusions of the trading challenge will be determined based on the following criteria. So to fulfill this criteria, only you will be chance to win. So must trade at least 100 lots per month or 200 lots in totals. And also the positions all must close by the end of 30th of June. If the open positions, the position still open at the end of the sessions, you are not eligible for the main price already. Just take note, okay? And with the daily and the money weighted returns calculations, and also the consistency and drawdown will affect your ranking also. Okay, and next, now if you break the following rules stated in these slides, you will be disqualified from the competitions, such as violating applicable rules, law and regulations, failing to disclose team affiliations or use of the automated trading system, engaging in unethical and illegal behaviors, not meeting the minimum trading volumes, and failing to liquidate all open positions by the end of trading challenge. Lastly is the violations of the intraday margins policies for 2 times. So here's if breach one of it, then you will be disqualified from the main prize. So don't worry, you still have a chance to win. Win what? Yeah. Okay. So even if you are not running for the main prize, but the opportunity is still for you in the weekly rush hour prize. Let's see on the next slide what is about. Okay. So we are excited to announce the rush hour prize, your chance to win 30 ringgits every week. Yes, you heard it right. The 30 ringgits each to 3 lucky winner each every week for total 8 week. And total there is 720 ringgits up for grabs. Winner will be selected based on exciting theme such as multi-market activities, mean that if you are trading more than one market, you're considered a multi-market trader. And also, if you are the best beginner traders within all the traders, you have chance to win this weekly prize. If you hit the highest trading volume during that day, when we announce the price, you have a chance to win the weekly rush hour prize. And also, if you are the most helpful traders in the Discord channel, yes, you have chance to win the prize. So here's the best part. We will announce the prize activations on the morning itself. So to make sure you stay alert and keep trading, you could be our next winners. So don't give up, just keep trading and stay in the game for your chance to win every week. Okay, so what happened after you win? So our price distribution details are as follows. If the price won is 250 and more, price will be awarded via online transfer to the participant registered bank account. If the price less than 250, the price will be awarded via touch and go. So all the winner is verified by Apex Security Berhad. This is important that no alternative payment method will be accepted or offered. So it is the participants' responsibility to ensure they have an active and valid bank account to receive the prize. Okay, the briefing is over until the end. And lastly, the T&C for participants. By signing up this trading challenge, the participants is agree to the followings, which the winner may be required to sign affidavits of eligibility, liabilities and publicity release. Secondly, the Apex Security Berhad and its affiliates may use winner detail for promotions, including names, photo, voice, social medias, posts, price info, opinions, and other biographics details. Okay. And if you have further enquiries, please do not hesitate to contact our derivative dealing desk. So you can screenshot this page for your keeping for your future reference. And thank you for joining the orientation sessions for the trading challenge. We hope you're excited and ready to trade. And don't forget to stay active and keep an eye on your trades. Make sure you meet the challenge requirements to win a great prize. So until here, maybe there's a Q&As for the traders. You feel free to ask. Okay, if there's no questions from the floor, if you're shy to ask, maybe you can ask us over our WhatsApp or by email to us. Just screenshots the informations over here. We'll try our best to answer your inquiry. Okay. Oh, okay. I got questions. Some questions from trader. When should I register? Okay. You should register as soon as possible because the trading will start on next Monday. If you get the account ready before the competitions, then your chances is higher because you start trading early. So if you need the link for registration, just WhatsApp us. We'll share you. Oh, all right, I got the next questions. So for examples, I would like to trade the FKRI contracts. How much should I deposit my account? Okay, so for FKI contracts, As of last 2 weeks, Bursa have been increased the margin requirement. So to trade one lot of the FKRI futures, you have to have 5,500. So we normally will advise clients to fund in more than that. For example, maybe 6K or even 10K. So you have more buffer to run your trades. Okay. All right. So far, no next question. Maybe I will share again with you our next webinars. Just to remind you all to attend the webinar if you need help to understand what is futures trading. So please save the date. On this Wednesday, we'll have a basic of futures trading. And next week, 6th of May, we have an intermediate levels webinar, which is trading strategy. And the 8th of May, how to use the trading system and Discord and Apex Academic. And lastly, there will be a trading psychologies webinars on the 20th of May. Don't worry about this. We also will share how to use the trading platform videos on our YouTube channels, on our Apex Academic channels. If you cannot find the details, just WhatsApp us. We will share with you. Okay. So I think here's the end of the webinar already. So just don't forget to register for the trading challenge. Remember the highest the participations, the highest chance of our full money. Don't forget about that. Okay. So get your friends and you to register together, and we are waiting for your participations and welcome to the trading challenge. Okay. So I will end the sessions now. Thank you for attending and good night everyone.